Hello, so this is going to be your weekly reading from Aries to Pisces for your career and relationship. Okay, so let me see for Aries, how would be your career and relationship for this week? Aries, career wise, I can clearly see that you may feel like things are not going the way you actually wanted it to go, and perhaps you have lost. It can be any project that you would have lost in the past, or it can be something for which you planned and it didn't work out. Okay, so don't worry. So it's going to be okay with time because things are not exactly the way you are seeing it. इतना भी बुरा नहीं है जिस तरीके से आप इसे देख रहे हैं. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, that's absolutely fine. Relationship wise, you are absolutely into self love mode and you are running away from any distractions. Aries, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, overall this week is good for you. It's actually it's all about your mindset. Okay, negativity around you is not much. Problems इतनी बड़ी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हैं. ठीक है Aries, take care. Let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how would be your career and your relationships for this week, relationship wise? Career wise, it's excellent. You're enjoying the fruits of your labor, no doubt. You're making money, everything is okay. You're having a lot on your plate to handle, but still you're managing everything. When it comes to your relationship, you're taking the responsibility, you're taking the charge of your family. Okay, there can be a factor where there can be a situation where your family may be either looking for some huge amount. There can be a possibility that किसी लोन की जरूरत हो सकती है फैमिली को, because I can see that you are coming forward to help your family in that way. Okay, that's great Taurus, proud of you. Okay, let me see for Geminis. Geminis, how would be your career? Geminis, career wise, Geminis, there can be a new offer coming your way this week. Okay, and for your relationship, see Gemini's relationship wise, I can clearly see that you're no more focused on your relationship at present. Rather, you're trying to focus absolutely on your career because I can see something new. There can be a possibility that you have been planning for this or you have been manifesting this since long and it's working out now. अब वो चीज आपको मिल रही है तो you want to just shift your focus absolutely there. Okay, no distractions. Okay, you are ignoring somebody in particular in your relationship, can be anybody. Okay, I'm not going into that depth, but this is a Gemini's. Let me see for Cancerians. Cancerians, how would be your career and your relationships in general? Again for great, again for Cancerians also, I can clearly see that you can have some new offer, new opportunities in your hand, and uh, and this is something for which you have been waiting for so long. Okay, take care of it. Okay, on relationship front, you will be having a lot of communication also from somebody elderly. It can be regarding somebody elderly in your family. Situation is positive, don't worry. There can be arrival of somebody elderly in your family, कुछ हो सकता है, and some travels, or you may visit somebody of such kind in your family. हो सकता है कि आप travel करें, कहीं आप जा सकते हैं मिलने के लिए. Can be fatherly figure. Okay, health concern हो सकता है बस, and there's nothing to worry about. Let me see for Leos. Leos, how would be your career, Leos? And let me see how would be your relationships in general, Leo. Relationship wise, Leos. See, when it comes to your career, I'm seeing you planning something. You might be having something in your mind for which you have not taken action since long, and this week can again be a week of planning only. I'm not seeing you taking any actions towards whatever plans you have, but everything is good. You're very active, you are doing day-to-day work. जैसे आप regular routine में everything is going well, no issues. But when it comes to relationship, I'm not seeing you happy. Leos, you are a little heartbroken. Somebody would have told you something that हो सकता है आपका दिल टूटा हो, है ना? You're not talking to somebody in particular. कोई एक इंसान ऐसा जरूर है जिसकी वजह से दिल टूटा है आपका, मैं ऐसा देख रही हूँ. एंड यू आर नो मोर विलिंग टू एंटरटेन द सिचुएशन एट प्रेजेंट. ओके, let it be. This is just the energy of a week. Okay, Leos, let me see for Virgos. Virgos, how would be your career? Virgos. And relationship? Virgos, it's a great week for all of you in terms of your career, also in terms of your relationship also. Career may, I can clearly see that things are going exactly the way you wanted it to go. Things are smooth, you're making money, your family support is there, everything is okay. And और ये भी हो सकता है, there can be a possibility that हो सकता है कि you might be looking for a highly paid job and वो चीज it's coming for you, Virgos. Okay, in relationships में तो मुझे दिख रहा है some maybe marriage or somebody, हो सकता है आपकी शादी प्लान हो रही हो सकता है कि आप फटाफट you want to plan your marriage engagement, or it can be something, or it can be somebody's marriage in your family and you're enjoying your time. Virgos, it's excellent. This week is excellent for you, Virgos. Let me see for Libras. Libras, how would be your career for this week? Libras. And relationship wise, Libras. See, career wise, you are making money. It's excellent. Whatever you have planned, you feel like things have become very stable in your life in terms of your career. Everything is okay. Okay. But when it comes to relationship, I can see you stalking somebody. Libra, are you stalking somebody? Or somebody can be stalking you. This is virtual stalking. And you are seeing that the person is going away into a different direction, or there are chances that you want something certain peace in the situation, so you're also not chasing anybody. No, you're just seeing the person. Okay, ठीक है, तुम जा रहे हो, तुम अभी जाओ, मैं देखूंगा कि बाद में क्या करना, और मैं देखूंगी कि बाद में क्या करना. Okay, but at present you want peace in the situation. You're just letting go of something for this week only. आगे का we'll see later on, Libras, don't worry. Overall it's good. Let me see for Scorpios. Scorpios, just a minute. Scorpios, how would be your career and your relationships in general? Relationship wise and career wise, both I can see stability. Okay, career mein you're feeling very stable, Scorpios. I'm not seeing any problem. Whatever you planned, it's going according to your plans. Everything is okay. You're making money also. But when it comes to your relationship, no, there is some stagnancy in the situation. You're very on and off regarding moving ahead with somebody in particular. This is somebody in particular. Okay, कोई हो सकता है जिसके साथ आप आगे plan. You're unable to execute whatever plans you have. Things are going very slow. Okay, वो planning phase ही है इस week में भी. Okay, Scorpios. Now let me see for Sagittarius. Okay, Sag, let me see how will be your career. Career wise, it's good. I'll tell you. Okay, relationship wise, Sag, are you stalking somebody? You're stalking somebody virtually. It's a virtual stalking. Okay, and okay, I'll talk about career first. Career wise, I can clearly see that you are being helped by somebody elderly. Okay, कोई है जो आपको help कर रहा है at your workplace. If you're a student also, then I can clearly see that there is somebody who is helping you in your studies. मतलब there is some mentor who is guiding you. It can be a sibling also. Okay, so overall it's good. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, as I told you, you are stalking somebody, and but you are very much into negativity. Okay, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि there is something wrong going on, और अगर आपको लगता है कि somebody in particular is going away from you, let the situation as it is at present, because this is just the energy of a week. नेक्स्ट वीक चेंज हो जाएगा ये. ओके, सो मैं बहुत ज्यादा आपको परेशान नहीं देख रही हूँ. इट्स नथिंग लाइक यू आर वेरी मच वरीड और समथिंग. इट्स वेरी कैजुअल. एवरीथिंग इज ओके. ओके, Sag, let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, how would be your career? Let me see how would be your relationships in general. Capricorns. Just a minute, Capricorns. Capricorns, your relationships in coming week. See, Capricorns, I can see that you are facing a lot of challenges in your career this week because of some travel plans, or there can be a possibility that just because of some short travels, you can be very exhausted, and every day you're facing like feeling like it's just a challenge for you. Aisa wala kuch. Okay. And but you'll manage everything. Do not try to cover up everything at once, every task that you have in your hand at once. Take one task at a time, everything will be okay. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, I can clearly see that you're not focusing on the relationship aspect much because you're very much surrounded with your work. Okay. And you may, because in relationship wise you may feel like there are things that needs to be sorted out. कुछ चीजें हैं जिसको शॉर्ट आउट करने की जरूरत है. It can be with your partner. तो you are just keeping it on a back burner at present कि चलो just focus on whatever is going on in your career. उसके बाद में I'll look into it. Okay, ऐसा कुछ. Overall it's okay, Capricorns. Let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, how would be your career? Aquarius. And let me see how would be your relationship. Aquarius, see, career wise I can see that you would have faced some turbulence in the past. चीजें heal हो रही है and you are feeling stability again. Again means हो सकता है कि बीच में there was some turbulence and थोड़ा सा up and down हुआ हो situation recent past में. अभी things are okay. It has come on track, and it may be gradually coming on track. Okay, don't worry. But when it comes to relationship, you're not trusting somebody. There is somebody in particular whom you are not trusting, or you may feel like there cannot be any future with this person. And wait a minute, let me see what is this. Oh, you feel betrayed? Do you feel betrayed by somebody, Aquarius? Don't worry, let it be. Whatever happened, it happens for the reason. Okay, energies may change later on. Okay, Aquarius, don't worry. Let me see for Pisces. Pisces, how would be Pisces? How would be your career ahead? And relationship wise, Pisces. See, career wise, I can clearly see that you're making money, lot of money, everything is okay, your family is supporting you, everything is going the way you wanted it to go. Okay, everything is stable. And in relationships, I can see that there can be lot of communication from somebody in particular. हो सकता है, ठीक है, जिसके साथ आपके issues रहे हो past में. I can see lots and lots of communication to heal the situation, and it is actually working out. Situation heal हो रहा है, ठीक है, actually में. तो overall your week is good. All the very best, all of you. Stay blessed. Radhe Radhe.